Hello, today I will be going to demonstrate my final exam of ASP.NET. Over here we had to create an ASP.NET web core application and name it as an example file, example name, last 4 digit of the student number. So that's my ASP.NET web core application. I have named it as mentioned. Let's quickly run it over here, and it's already been run. So you can see over here. So it's exam Pratham Shah underscore the last 4 digit of my student number. So let's just log in with the customer ID and see what is there in there. So customer, so logged in as a customer. So you can see over here, if we go to the photos and if we try to create one, it says over here it's access denied, because like there's only the admin who can edit it over here. So let's just quickly logged in as an admin. Before that, so as you mentioned, like we had to change the app settings.json file and add the proper name of our desktop. So I added the name of my desktop, and the name of the database is Photoshop. And after that, I have created a model class over here where I have added the attributes, the photo name, the description, the upload, and I have set the price as you mentioned. And then I have created a controller named photos controller.ce, and let's just quickly log in as an administrator right now. So let's just try quickly create one element. So name, not sure why, but there's something error over here. So that's the null point exception error throwing it over here, not sure why. So that was my demonstration for the final exam.